Hey peeps, it's your girl Blessed D Gaza Diva and welcome back to the Blessed D Gaza Diva channel.
Can you afford it? We pop champagne every night.
Vibes Cartel, you are indeed the lifeline of dancehall and Jamaica music in the entire world.
You're not like anyone else. You find the way you are. Did you do this all yourself? A smile ignites the room. Sending us up to the time, you know it's Cartel. Representing for Blessed D, Gaza Diva. I'm out.
Hey peeps, it's your girl Blessed D Gaza Diva back at it again. Bounty Killer says he ain't campaigning if it ain't champagning. Also, what I used to know that Bounty Killer is 1,000,000% endorsing Vibes Cartel, he posted this throwback video. And who walking in the clip? People, no tell me who walking in the clip. Vibes Cartel walking in the clip. You think the Bounty Killer just post this? He posted this 2-3 hours ago. You know why he posted this on his profile? Bounty Killer is 100% endorsing Vibes Cartel statement. 1,000,000% endorsing Vibes Cartel statement. And he's making it look, I never politician bring them youth here to the world. I never politician bring alliance to the world. And me did have them clicking on all cylinders in the world. So all artists will come now for when me fight through and see with all of these a politician and the wall on come now wanna endorse a Bounty and a idiot. So Bounty Killer took to his Instagram yesterday and he made this post. And the post that he made was for a party that is being put on by his girlfriend Camille. It may look like a simple poster right on the heels of Vibes Cartel campaign song, champagne song. It looks a bit uncanny, but just remember, Bounty Killer is a very smart artist. He may not be the most eloquent or speaks highfalutin words, big words, but he is a calculated man. He sits down, he looks at the atmosphere, and everybody don't know Bounty Killer is the poor people governor. So if Bounty Killer see all these campaign going on, what do you think Bounty Killer made that post for? You think it's just by mistake? No, it's not by mistake. It's calculated. Bounty Killer sees everything that is going around on social media space. He might one of the first one to jump up and say, "Me see that boy there. I'ma see that blogger this. I'ma see that." Yes, so he is aware of what is going on and he watches the social media space as well. So no more than Bounty Killer see everything that is going on with Vibes Cartel's post about the campaign and how many artists are making dub. And in my opinion, and I know I'm not wrong, in my opinion, Bounty Killer is endorsing Vibes Cartel. In essence, Bounty Killer is saying is, if it not rain money, if it not rain dividends for me, then me not campaign for it. Everybody, as I said, knows that Bounty Killer is the poor people governor. So when you look at it, you see say it's not just Vibes Cartel has this in the back of his head, but knowing how Vibes Cartel is, he might come out and talk what him think straight. So the handlers of him IG just going to post what him think. Him not gonna beat around the bush. Him not gonna hide behind a mask. Not saying Bounty Killer is hiding behind a mask. I just think Bounty Killer is calculated in how he does his thing. So in essence, he's saying, all I wanna jump up and down and I run up and down and a campaign. Me na campaign if it na champagne. So in essence, Bounty Killer is promoting the party and Bounty Killer is saying, uno can go on out about na campaign for political endeavors. Uno can go on out there about na campaign for political party. Any campaign where uno supposed to campaign for uno own party or friends of your party, your girlfriend party, and if you're female and you have a boyfriend, your boyfriend party. At them party they are supposed to be a campaign for. And in the process of campaigning for those party, make sure so now earn dividends from the party. You think it's a Bounty Killer idiot? The next thing is, when you look at all these dubs that these artists are doing from, it is a one-off money, and it's some of them goodly all not getting the money. I don't know how deep it is, but some of them goodly all now get no money. Enough for them head a promotion. And depending on who behind them pushing them, because you have some of them, them not really want to do it, but them quote unquote manager will tell them, say, yo man, do it. It's a good endeavor for you. And right here now, you need for getting on the train now, because you have some people, anything that's trending, they run with it. You have some people when I have no mind of them own. You have some people who can be militant and stand up by themselves. And some of these artists are just the same. Because remember, they're just an artist, but they're people first. And you see, if you don't have a mind of your own, you will find yourself, all of a sudden, something where you not believe in, you find yourself doing it. Something where you not endorse, you find yourself endorsing. Because me see some artists when me see I endorse and I do dub plate of themselves, they have to just wander and look and say, really? And that's your pick? But at the end of the day, to each his own. I'm a firm believer in whatever path you choose, stay on your path and just stand up firm in your path if that's what you believe in. Because me is a girl who believe in what me believe in, and there's nothing, nobody under the sun or the earth can tell me, on this earth can tell me to do differently, because that's what I believe in. And if you're not strong in yourself, you're going to just find yourself a swing, like a swing song. 1 minute you're over there, so next minute you're over there, so and that happened to some of them artists here. Them dub plate something where them a run with and a go on with no make no business sense. So Bounty Killer has solidified his stance. Whether him come out and him a say him now say JLP and him now say PNP, remember him say
this one reaching out to all the leaders.
So if Bounty Killer sung that years ago,
Well, poor people fed up. To your system shake up, you should feel whipping me boss.
Bounty Killer, as far as I know, is a man that stands up for his word, and that is one of the things that I've always respected with him. Remember Bounty win a Grammy, and because a naked man was in the video, Bounty Killer gave it back. Never forget that. That in itself made me, at the time, I was very, very young, but at the time, because I started learning quickly, but at the time when it happened, I thought to myself, yo, a Grammy? Because you little and you hear about a Grammy and that's the best thing ever. So I thought was the pinnacle of music, when I never understood it was just another symbolization or emblem of control. But that's control over the entertainment industry. And controlling the entertainment industry where people will be like, oh, this is the highest peak that you can reach. Several artists are out there that are great artists, never won a Grammy. Do your own research for yourself. James Brown is one of them, one of the greatest artists who ever lived. Bob Marley never won a Grammy in his waking life. After his death, his family was issued a Lifetime Achievement Grammy Award, and that is the great Bob Marley. So when people talk about Grammy, you have to read, and that's why them say if you want something to be hidden, you have to put it into a book, because people don't read. You have to read and get your brain lifted so you understand that life does not stop at what they market it to stop at, and there it can go above and beyond. So when Bounty Killer won the Grammy, I was thinking to myself, yo, this is the greatest thing, because there was this little unknown competition that was going on between him and Beenie Man at the time. Like, I caught the latter stages of it, and I'm like, if me for choose, me would have choose whatever. But when Bounty Killer gave back the Grammy, I started having a different level of respect for that man. I started to see that it is not just, he was not just a pioneer of music. He was not just a champion of ghetto people. He was just not the ghetto people governor as he has always proclaimed. He was a man of principle, because it takes a level of principle when you can look at it and say, you know what, this is quote unquote a high achievement award in my career, and this is what they use to staple or put me at the pinnacle to say that I am a great artist, but I'm giving it back because the circumstances under which I received it, I do not want it. And I had, as I said, a huge level of respect for Bounty Killer. So Bounty Killer has been there and done that. So Bounty Killer, and he has been in the musical scene. Bounty Killer is one of the most radical, coming up in the late 1900s, coming up to the 2000s. Bounty Killer was one of the most vocal, radical entertainer Jamaica ever saw and had, and what we would call a Babylon system. Now deal with Babylon system. Now par with Babylon system. not tolerate nothing what Babylon do. So Bounty Killer see what go on. And Bounty Killer is one of the most prime entertainers right now. That if Bounty Killer even made a dub, you know, say it done. So Bounty Killer see what's happening. And the man say, him nah campaign only if it a champagne. Him a campaign. And then Vybz Kartel go drop the song.
No trouble, champagne campaign, champagne campaign.
It just fit like a glove and it all glue it together. But Bounty Killer is smart, right? Vybz Kartel just get him handlers for always put out when feeling a feel mind. And him not gonna mask behind nothing and go on like say, him a try. Him a go come straight forward just like how him say, listen to me, them artist boy are not learn. Beer rated his song right now because them really not learn. While Bounty Killer just neatly do it and say, listen to me. Me endorse what Vybz Kartel are saying now. 1,000,000% behind what Vybz Kartel are saying now. Because them politician people are just really use poor people. And me are the poor people governor. So here what? Me nah campaign if it not champagne. And at the same time, endorse him girlfriend party. Sounds like it makes sense to me. So how much more fitting to throw that in? Bounty Killer smart man. So Bounty Killer, based on what I see, is 100% supportive of what Vybz Kartel has come out and said. These artists need to start looking in themselves, stop campaigning for these politicians because politicians are gonna run the next few weeks. Politics are gonna come and done September 3rd. When September 7th come, the same people them who run on a truck, who drive and spin the green and the orange shirt, them can't send them youth go to school. Me have to wonder more time if them people are all no farmer meds. I know the depths of poverty. I've been in situations where I should have voted and I had more than opportunities to vote. But that's not the life, because when I looked at myself growing up in the ghetto, I said to myself, this nah go get me where me want to go. Me have to take a different path. So what me do, me take it to my books. So Babylon can't trick people like me, because you see, emancipate yourself, from mental slavery. A lot of people don't understand what that means. Mental slavery just don't mean that, you must be doing what you want to do, because a lot of them are looking at it, they're jumping up on the truck and whatever. Yeah, that me want to do, me want to do that. Yeah, really? You are enslaved because they have you torn between these two parties. You not even have the brain to think about a possible third party. Anything that's third and come and forward through, you shut it down. No, can't do nothing for me. So why you not taking the same stance to say that you can't do nothing for me? Stop be fooled by the green and the orange. As Bounty Killer say, him na campaign if it na champagne.